What's up, YouTube? It is Fitzmiller in the 911 back here with another video. Today we're going to be ripping some North Carolina back roads in my Porsche 911. Huge shout out to Danny Paulino for letting me borrow this head cam. This is our chariot for the day. Tires are warm, oil is in it, car is still dirty if you guys have watched the last video. If not, go check it out. But without further ado though, let's get going. If you guys have ever wondered what it's like to drive a 911, here we go. Let's get it. This is a fun little Togue, bro. Little Togue road. Done a whole lot of autocross or karting in my time. What I can say, the best thing I've learned, brake in a straight line, coast to your apex, and then accelerate out. So brake in, accelerate out. Yeah, I mean, that's all I got. I don't normally hit the Togue. I thought, what the hell, dude, we gonna go hit it though. I hope this family of 5 just gets out the way. Shoo! It was a bridge like that that destroyed my lip, but this is a different road than last time. Little hill climb action going up this thing. Do you guys have back roads like this where you're from? Like, I'm not in a very mountainous area. I'm like central North Carolina, so we got the beach to our, you know, to the east, and we got the mountains to the west. It's not too hilly where I'm at, but a little bit farther out where we're at, like right here, it makes for some wonderful driving roads, bro, out in the country. Would also like to say shout out for the sun, to the sun, for coming back out today. This thing is feeling so good in the hands, in the feet, in my ass, not in my ass, in my ass cheeks. That doesn't work either. The whole car feels good. All right, that's what I'm trying to convey. All right, Togue reversed. Let's get it. Blind hills like this always scare me, bro. Don't know if there's gonna be a deer, a car. So if you guys are coming up on anything like that in your spirited driving, just like chill out a little bit. Great view that way. It's about the highest point over here. As I was explaining earlier, this thing is just a joy and a half to drive, bro. The #1 word I can use is pure to describe driving this thing, and that's across the board, bro. I mean, that's in handling, that's in comfort, that is in throttle, steering, input, what you get out of that. This car is just a phenomenal car. And I saw a reel the other day, which I thought was pretty funny. It was a 911, and it was like, oh, you know, you just got a base model Porsche. And it was like, yeah, exactly, I did. And you don't need a GT3 to have fun in a Porsche. You know, like Carrera S 3.8 versus the 3.6, so you got a little bit more pep in your step, but this thing rips, bro. At this thing's core, it is, oh my god, at this thing's core, it is still a factory race car. How the f do we keep getting behind people, bro? Oh, my fault, my fault. Excuse me? Little GLI in front of us. About to get its ass ate. Fun fact, I almost got a GLI as my first car. Alright, bro, get out the way. Oh my dog. Dog. Are we good? That shit hit hard, bro. Oh my god. I think we're good. Woo! Thank God for a good suspension, bro. We are rocking Olin's coilovers. Alright, I don't want to freak this guy out, low-key. I don't want to freak him out. We're just gonna chill. But is that shit paved? Yeah. What up, gang? And let's go. This thing, I mean, I wouldn't say it's fast, but it's definitely not slow, you know what I'm saying? Please don't f me up. Bro, bridges be my worst enemy now. I definitely didn't mac my lip today like I did the last time, but that still just like maxed my suspension out. This is a nice long sweeping curve, bro. Holy shit. Woo! Back out in the sunlight. Holy shit. So this road, I used to just go and rip this road like in my first car, and I hit it in the skyline a couple times too. Boy, what the hell? What the hell? What's all this junk in the road, bro? Get that shit out of here. Looks like literal shit. Like a horse took a shit right there. To this GLI, so this is where I'm gonna call it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want more POV driving like this, I don't like ripping on it too much, you know what I'm saying? Like back roads, maybe a little bit, out on the highway cutting up and shit. I'm not for that, man. No part of me wants to get in an accident or you know, get a ticket or anything. It's just not worth it. But if you guys would want to see me driving around, having fun, bopping to and fro in the Toad, please let me know. So, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitzmiller and the 911 back here with another video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more 911 content. Check me out on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!